Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. We'll take a look at the price of XRP and Bitcoin, respectively. The incoming Bitcoin volume will be discussed. Monica Long is scheduled to give a talk. We'll discuss the state of central bank digital currencies in Singapore. Then, we'll discuss the last, time-honored wake-up call for XRP, because we're getting closer to that point every day, and it's coming sooner than you think. Yes, I'm ready to invest $30,000 in Bitcoin. In the last 24 hours, it has risen by 3.8%. ETH was first created in 1893. In the last 24 hours, it has risen by 4.14%. Both the USDC and USD are coming in below their respective dollar pegs, indicating that XRP is maintaining a crucial level at the moment, 0.495. Over the previous day, it has risen by 0.43%. We discussed the current value of XRP, which is 49.5 cents. This is the barrier that XRP must overcome, hence we talk about it a lot on this channel. We've taken a seat at the table and are ready to battle. It has aspirations of flight, expression, and flight. What's the deal, though? The current bottleneck is Bitcoin. All of that is about to alter. With a 49.26% share of the $1.1 billion cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is by far the most valuable cryptocurrency. This was forwarded to me by Michael Brandt. Update on the Ripple, he announces. The XRP price has reached a new 2023 high, supported by demand from institutional investors. What you want to hear is stated. In the midst of the recent cryptocurrency market volatility, XRP has emerged as the frontrunner, attracting an investment inflow of $1.1 million in the week ending June 16th. Despite the broader Bitcoin market's experiences, an increase in institutional involvement has emerged. That's the first decline in 8 weeks. This unexpected attraction to XRP runs counter to the general pattern of net withdrawals in the digital asset market. Existing conditions suggest that if the current heightened interest in XRP persists through the weeks ending June 23rd to June 30th, it may pave the path for significant price increases. What does it all signify for this token? Keep an eye on the coming week and let's keep the XRP price climbing. Their forecast, they predict that by the end of the year, X or P values will be $1 or even $1.50. This is fantastic news, people. Good news, indeed. Why? Because of the topic I've been discussing for a while now on this channel, what will happen in November? The Bitcoin bull market will begin in November and continue through the second and third quarters of 2024, when the cryptocurrency's value will have been halved. We can easily see a 3 to 5x if we can get XRP to $1.50, see a spike to $2, and get as close to that all-time high as possible before they kick in. Although I tend to be cautious, a multiple of 3 to 5 makes me think XRP may be worth anywhere from $3. Roughly $3.50 per person. $5. Keep it in mind. X or P $5. What the heck? Get ready for a trillion fireworks. And the SEC hasn't provided any clarification as of now. On top of that, that's a multiplier. My plan and the way I envision the future unfolding is as follows. I hope that XRP will rise to its highest level. It would be great if XRP reached its maximum value. For the duration of this film and until the lawsuit is resolved, let's call it $3. Because that would merely add a multiplier to the existing price. The highest price XRP has ever been would be fantastic. Just as the Bitcoin price begins to rise in anticipation of the halving. Even though we are still in the beginning stages, all of these elements can already be seen in the current price of XRP. The Eager Crypto released his Bitcoin chart. He explains, closing is easy. If we are able to confidently close above $32,000, it will signal the end of the arranging phase and the beginning of bullish times. That settles it. Very optimistic. Bitcoin's price needs to rise beyond $32K. His initial goal is $39,000. He hopes to eventually reach 49,000. Where was I going with that? Who knows how high Bitcoin will go this cycle, especially with all the institutions coming aboard and especially with getting clarity within the markets, but it looks like it will be between $40,000 and $42,000 before experiencing a cool-off period in November. Positive outlook. Bitcoin coin volume does generate. The BlackRock Bitcoin ETF registration has stoked a wave of optimism among investors, driving up trading activity on Coinbase to nearly $1 billion. Tell me, what do you see? You presumably like Rick, who is responsible for the recent explosion of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, dedicated to Bitcoin trading. This type of ETF is ubiquitous. I'm aware, but have the markets ever come close to having a clear set of regulations? BlackRock, Fidelity, and Schwab are all on board, and these ETFs are approved. Just imagine all the new money they'll be injecting into the system. And chimed in Monica Lennon. Getting licenses in places like Singapore is crucial, she argues, as RippleNet develops into a platform offering regulated crypto-enabled services like quick settlement and liquidity. The prospect of expansion is what has me most enthusiastic. As the volume of on-demand liquidity passing through Singapore has increased by more than a 5x year-over-year, it is clear that APAC is a promising new market for Ripple. People do it, and they're only at the beginning of it. The on-demand liquidity volumes have just begun. They recently got the go-light from Singapore's monetary regulator, the Central Bank of Singapore. And for what purpose? In order to handle an escalating volume of instantaneous cash transfers. They were told to go all out and risk everything. We're all set. We are aware of your actions. The time we spent conversing with you has ended. We have faith in you. We anticipate this will have some function in the emerging monetary order. There is a connection to Singapore here. Tim, please publish this. To develop a central bank digital currency operational model, Singapore has joined forces with Korea, Italy, and the International Monetary Fund. On the first video we worked on, what did we discuss? Dunbar. How does Project Dunbar hope to use CBDCs to make the existing rapid payment system better and faster? Singapore's monetary authority participated and has officially authorized XRP for instantaneous liquidity. The Federal Reserve, cryptocurrencies, and DeFi. Where do we stand with this? A. Wallace, James. He gave a brief interview in which he discussed CBDCs and DeFi. This has been discussed before. He claimed that, regardless of whether the project was focused on remittances, trade, or something else entirely, cross-border payments were always a high priority for everyone engaged. Mickey B. added his 2 cents and left. Even while international money transfers are a major source of stress for economies everywhere, things are changing dramatically. Made in the past 2 years, Ripple. A totally different melody concerning CBDCs and international money transfers is being sung, in my opinion, by Juniper Research, the global consultants and research group that ranked Ripple's central bank digital currency as number 1. Here's a little piece by Joel Katz that you should hear. We're investigating what's stopping businesses from using cutting-edge Web3 and DeFi systems. The obstacles that prohibit businesses from adopting these technologies. And just like the internet, there remain obstacles to widespread institutional adoption in areas such as tokenization, liquidity, compliance, and identity. Universities and the military both began using the platform early on, which boosted its popularity. We believe that institutional adoption of DeFi can be a major growth engine and attractiveness factor for these bottom-up initiatives. This is challenging to achieve on a limited scale. In my opinion, this is an area where Ripple's special resources and expertise are truly invaluable. We have the people, the capital, and the know-how to create enterprise-grade software. What we see. Developing enterprise-grade software, discussing central banks and virtual currencies. 50 corridors are currently operational, and institutional adoption is beginning. Major international financial institutions are now giving Ripple the go-ahead. Moreover, to proceed to what end, exactly? Make it easy for us according to him. XRP is doing the worm at the wake-up line. On a monthly basis, the XRP chart is showing optimistic signs. On the outskirts of the last wake-up line, near the XRP body candles. If we can end the month of June with a full body candle above it, I am confident that XRP will never fall below 50 cents again. In my opinion, XRP will soar to new heights because of this single. Let me detonate this, people. This candle must end at or above 50 cents for us to proceed. It really is that easy. Roughly 9 days remain till the end of the month. More positive developments for XRP can be expected if we can get this candle to close above. Possibly even SEC clarification. Neither X nor P will ever reach these heights again, ever. Both X and P are on the table. That's how close we are. A moonshot is what it's going to take. We're trying to break through the 50-cent barrier. Every time we get close, we fall back down. Where were we in the video from this morning? We've reached 50 cents. Where exactly are we? Aged 49 and a half. The battle has begun. This is an actual battle. The importance and significance of this level is universally acknowledged. You should pay attention to it since it will provide us with the best signal going forward as to how the rest of this year and the halving will affect the price of XRP. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.